What is a Domino's emergency pizza?
A Domino's emergency pizza is a free medium two-topping pizza you can redeem within 30 days of claiming. Importantly, it's there whenever you need it most. For pizza emergencies, like when you burn dinner or spent 2 hours in traffic and don't feel like cooking, or anything else that life throws your way. After all, pizza emergencies equals free emergency pizza. You can also redeem for a medium handmade pan pizza for an additional charge. Oh, okay.